Hey everybody, today we'll be making banana bread toast. Here is the ingredient: 1 piece of bread, a butter or margarine, an egg, 1 banana, and some optional ingredients: cinnamon, sugar, milk, and honey. This meal will only cost 150 cents. So the first thing you want to do is crack an egg into a bowl, making sure that you take all of the shell out of the egg, and then putting some milk, any type of milk that you want, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, into the bowl. Here I'm putting only half of the box in. Afterwards, I'm taking a dash of cinnamon, this is totally optional, into the mixture. Once you've placed all of it in, make sure to mix it well. Don't forget to break the yolk. And once you're done, it will look like this. Ta-da! Now, the next step is to cut bananas into tiny pieces. Here, I'm just cutting them horizontally. Here, you notice that I'm using 2 bananas, but you can definitely only use 1. Moving along, I'm just going to put a little bit of butter into a low heated pan and spreading it evenly. Once it's hot enough, I'm putting in the banana and adding in a little bit of sugar, which is totally optional. While waiting for the banana to soften up, just cut off the crust of a piece of bread and roll it out using a cup. You can roll it once or twice to make sure that it's really thin. Now the next step is to put the banana that we just fried onto the bread, making sure to spread it evenly, because if it's not even, it's going to be chunky and it might burst. So here is how you fold it. Fold it once and twice. Make sure to pat it to make sure that it's dense. And then this is a very crucial part, to pinch the sides so that none of the fillings would spill out. Now just dip the bread into the egg mixture that we had just now and then fry it. When you're frying it, make sure that you're frying the open side first to make it sealed up, and then the other part until it's golden brown. Once it's done, it should look like this. I'm adding a little bit of honey on top to make it sweeter, but it's totally optional. And it's done! Let's taste it. This meal is very filling and it gives you a boost of energy in the morning so that you can overcome any obstacles throughout the day. Try it out!